welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how to create a laptop case. The reason why I created this video is because I bought a very expensive computer and of course I scratched it because it didn't have. So today I will be showing you how I created my case. Number one is you need a paper and pen, and then the first step is to draw the shape of your computer. The second step will be to add 1 centimeters around this shape, and then I also added about 1.5 centimeters, so it will be like 3 centimeters thickness. That's all going to be the lines for the sides, and these are the sides where we need a little bit thicker just to create the thickness of the computer. I still really wanted the pattern to be very close and tight to my laptop, so I just wanted something to cover it up. And of course, once you have your pattern, which is very simple and easy to do, 3 different types of fabric, actually 2, but I didn't have a thicker fabric, so I needed to improvise. And of course I created a lot of layers just to make a little thickness and coverage for my computer, because if I would go directly with a fabric that is not thick, it will still scratch the computer. Well, the chance is a little bit less, but of course I wanted to make sure that my computer is safe, so I needed 3 layers. Inner lining, I will be using face fabric, and I'm using also a little thicker inner lining. This is just to make sure that my computer does not break. Once you have done the lines of your pattern, you will cut this piece in 3 different fabrics, or 2. It really depends on you how much fabric you have. The second step will be to place the zipper. So I'm using invisible zipper, which later on in the video you will see that this is the big mistake, a very big mistake. But anyways, I sewed the invisible zipper on the top, and then I also connected it on the bottom, and also you have to connect it with the inner lining. So you're going to do the same steps for the inner lining as well. Important step is when you're sewing the inner liner, please don't sew the whole way, because this is the little hole you will need to flip everything inside out. The second step will be, of course, to sew the lines that are on the sides, which is connecting the zipper together with these lines. What you're going to do is you're going to sew just about 1 centimeter from each side, from both inner lining and face fabric. The second step will be to actually sew the sides. You can see that this little opening, so you're just going to connect the sides and then sew both for the face fabric as well as the inner lining. And ta-da! I failed. failed. I failed so badly. First of all, the bad choice of the inner, like the zipper and the inner lining fabric. I chose a silky fabric that is for the inner lining, which is actually not even meant for the inner lining. So it was fridging out all the time, and all of the seams that I have done, they were just like breaking. And then this stupid zipper that I chose just because I really wanted to have like invisible zipper, it was really bad. You couldn't open it, so I had to just like break it, and I really wanted to give up, but then I was like, no, let's do this over again. So I took all of the seams out, as you can see, and then I did the same steps over again with a different type of lining and with a different type of zipper. And this is the finishing product. In the end, actually really looks nice. I really like the little case that I created. It's perfect for my laptop, fits perfectly, and I recommend to try my pattern. It's super easy and also free. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next video. So stay tuned and see you soon again.